So I just bought a Cummins Onan P4500i. Just got back from the store with it. Just thought I'd show you the unboxing just in case you buy one for yourself. There's right here on the box that you need a utility knife, fresh and lit gasoline, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So I just started doing more work in my shop, running a welder, grinders, shear, and other various power tools. In doing so, I was running up the utility bill. So to remove myself from the equation, I had to get a generator. I wanted a quiet one that would run for a few hours and not have to worry about too much fuel consumption and wonder when it's gonna break. The generator comes with a Phillips head screwdriver, a screw-in funnel to fill the oil, and a container of oil to get you started. The generator features a remote start and efficiency mode to manage fuel consumption. And you're able to link two generators together to get more power. Originally, I thought about buying one from Harbor Freight or Home Depot, but I didn't want to have to keep returning it to get one that's not a dud, or one that another reviewer said fails under a high load. A friend and a few other reviewers recommended that I get a Cummins Onan. I found a local place that sells and repairs specifically Cummins Onan generators, so I bought one. So the first thing you're going to need to do right out of the box after you get everything sorted out, you're going to have to access the battery compartment and make sure everything is tightened and the boots are on, and then just plug it in. Make sure to properly reseat the battery and install the battery retaining strap. Next, you have to locate the oil fill plug, and using the supplied funnel, fill the oil. Be sure to add the oil slowly. If you overfill it, it's going to overflow inside of the generator. You're going to have a big old mess, so take your time. So now that you have the oil filled and gas filled, it's time to start it up. Make sure you turn the gas on and the power on. And I'm going to go ahead and try the key fob right out of the box. No programming needed. So I thought I'd give you a better look at the front panel. You have your RV plug, your 2 household plugs, your parallel operation ports. Right above that are your breakers. Breaker pops, you just push a button. Your readouts, digital. Got some USB ports for cell phones or tablets. Fuel shutoff. And for charging the battery. So it comes with a handle on the bottom, so you can roll it around like a suitcase. Makes it really easy. Really nice, folds back up. So this concludes the unboxing of the Cummins Onan 4500i. Like and subscribe for future videos, and have a good day.